You're not behind because you're lacking talent. You're behind because of your habits. Let me tell you something that took me way too long to figure out. The people pulling ahead of you aren't smarter. They're not luckier. They don't have some secret you don't have access to. They just built better daily habits years ago and let them compound. That's it. That's the whole game. You don't need to overhaul your life. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. and journal for 2 hours. You just need to install a few patterns and let time do the rest. Here are 3 that move the needle more than anything else. 1. Protect your mind from noise. Right now, your brain is renting space to 1,000 things you didn't agree to let in. Headlines, notifications, other people's opinions, random thoughts from strangers you'll never meet. You wonder why you can't think clearly. It's because you never actually let yourself think. Try this. 30 minutes a day, no phone, no music, no input. Just you and a notebook and whatever your brain wants to say when nothing else is screaming over it. It will feel uncomfortable. That discomfort is the sound of a muscle waking up that's been asleep for years. This is where your best ideas live. They've been waiting for you to show up. 2. Plan around outcomes, not tasks. Most people wake up with a to-do list. The people ahead of you wake up with a result they're trying to create and then work backwards from it. There's a huge difference between being busy and being effective. You can spend 10 hours on a productive-looking day and move 0 inches closer to anything that matters. Crossing things off a list feels good. It's also the most common way to waste a year of your life. Before you start your day, ask one question. What's the one thing I could do today that would actually matter a month from now? Then do that first. Everything else is filler. 3. Build systems instead of relying on willpower. Willpower is unreliable. It works when you slept well and eaten and feel good about yourself. It collapses the second life gets hard, which is exactly when you need it. Systems don't collapse. Systems run whether you feel like it or not. If you want to write every day, set up your document and write the first sentence the night before. If you want to work out in the morning, lay your clothes out by the bed. If you want to eat better, don't keep junk food in the house. You'll lose that fight every time it's in front of you. You're not designing habits, you're designing an environment where the right move is the easy move. Top performers don't have more discipline than you. They've just removed the moments where discipline is required. Now here's the part nobody wants to hear. None of this works in a week. None of it works in a month. The whole reason these habits separate the few from the many is because most people quit before the results show up. You'll do this for a while and feel like nothing is happening. Keep going. The gap between planting something and seeing it grow is where almost everyone walks away. The ones who stay are the ones who win. 1% better every day doesn't feel like anything in the moment. Over a year, it makes you almost 40 times the person you were when you started. Over 5 years, you become someone your current self wouldn't recognize. One last thing. Stop blaming the economy, your boss, your past, your circumstances. Every minute you spend explaining why your life is the way it is a minute you're not spending changing it. Even if something genuinely isn't your fault, find the 10% that is and own it completely. That's where your power lives. The second you decide that you're the one happening to your life instead of life happening to you, everything shifts. Pick one of these, just one. Start today, not Monday, not next month, not when things calm down. Things aren't going to calm down. You're going to get better, and then things will follow. The window's open right now. Walk through it.